I think someone might need paramedics. I just think I saw a car robbery and somebody got kicked out of the car.
What address are you at?
Street. I heard honking for a long time, and when I looked out the window, I saw a car with the door open and someone's feet hanging out, and the horn just kept going. And then there was a car across the street from them, and that car pulled off eventually, and so did the car with the person hanging out of the car. But then someone on the passenger side got, kicked out of the car, and they were just laying there. And it looks like they just stood up. Yeah, they just, kind of hobbled away.
Are you okay?
What's going on?
You need help? I heard you got pushed out. Are you all right? What happened? Okay, hold on. 9160. This might be Hey, what's going on?
Sir, what's going on?
Hey, no! Get up. 9160, he just jumped over the overpass.
He jumped on the overpass. Stay there. Stay. Watch the car.
Get up.
That's fine. Give me your arm.
I got his legs.
Stop, bud, stop. Breathe for me, bud. Not on his back, on his side. Not on his back, on his side.
Set him up a little bit.
Got him?
Yeah, I got him.
Come on, man. Can you sit up, bud?
Yeah.
Try to get up. Huh?
No. Leave that there. That's where you're bleeding. I got you.
You got trouble, bub. We're gonna help you out, all right?
Can I have this? That's
Can
where
you
you're
sit on your
bleeding, bud.
Ketamine, okay. Check me for ketamine.
No, you need
Before I
ketamine.
leave.
Ketamine doesn't do that.
Get off my face, bro. Hey, man, what's your name? What's your name, brother? Oh, he's sticking me something in my ass.
Nobody's
No.
putting nothing in your ass.
No, we're just trying to keep you from hurting yourself more.
You are, bitch.
Okay.
No, I'm not.
What's your name?
I want hope for this side.
Sir, what's your name?
639. Will you put me out here with a 36?
You able to talk to me, sir?
Down to the top of 350.
Who were you with? We roll into his side of
Yeah. Well, I have a good grip on all of this, so.
Say it again?
Your family.
Okay.
Hold on.
Mario. Family, do your thing.
I'm gonna try to roll.
Mario. My family.
I'm gonna try to roll him just a little bit.
Look.
There we go.
Look,
Yeah.
next time. Okay. He still got it in me. We're gonna try to come out. He still got it in me. Look. See that?
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah, just enough for me to be able to do that.
Put him on.
Hold on right here. It's his legs.
Nah, I got it. Actually, I'll put it. Yeah, I'll put it down like that.
What was that?
I'll just have it come down.
Get that.
I got it. You don't have to be on it.
Jumped right off here.
And then you
Landed right over here.
He landed right there.
dropped here and then ran across the freeway.
See where the blood is right there?
Yeah, he landed right there.
Then he ran across traffic.
Yeah, that had to be where he hit his stomach at.
Hey, so talk to the coaches. One of you guys is going to jump in R9120. I'm going to ride in the back of the medic with him, and you guys are going to follow the medic. You guys are both going to the hospital, right? Yeah. Okay, so One of you guys would just jump in with your coach. One of you guys drive R91
So you-
to the hospital.
You drive. I want you to drive his car. We'll follow the medic in. Okay. And then I'll follow you.
And I'll be in the back.
Because you were resisting, man. You're on stop, bro. What'd you take? Can you tell me so we can help you, man? Keep
No, it's not comfortable to lay on your back. I don't know what you said.
What'd you take, man? Keep it like this, man. Buddy, we're just making sure you're staying upright. Buddy, that's not possible right now, bud.
Medics are pulling up right
The
now.
medics are coming. You'll get you comfy. Just trying to help you, sir. You got a puncture right here in your side, man. Oh no, you did that when you jumped, bud.
I'll be right with you guys.
Cool. Yeah, we'll, Josh, don't worry about wrapping anything in there. This is, we're good.
Stop the back. Anybody see the whole thing?
Yep.
Four officers did.
So he never was unconscious or anything?
Not that I'm aware of. It took us a couple minutes to get from up there around the freeway, but I got down hit right there. Got up and ran to that survey for the median. Running back here.
So, yeah, hey, Josh, I suggest we bring the cot over here. We'll roll them onto it, and then we'll rewrap this.
Do you want to ride with the medic or do you want to drive?
I want to ride with the medic.
Who's driving the car then?
No, I was getting...
And then I'll follow you.
You're gonna take this car. So we need to air the 9160. We'll be following your medic to Grant Hospital.
Yeah, I'm ordering 9120.
He'll air his stuff. We'll air ours.
I'm going to go get his car.
She is riding with Bozeman. Hope and I are going to drive her car.